Hello? How are you? Welcome back to the best ever motor review show. What comes to your mind if we say 5-star safety rating? Cars. Right. Yes. So, today in this video we will talk about an electric car that has got 5-star Euro NCAP rating and will be unveiled in India on January 5, 2023, and will also be showcased at Delhi Auto Expo. A 5-star rating is the highest rating that can be achieved in any crash category. MG4 electric hatchback gets 5-star Euro NCAP rating. The MG4 EV has scored an impressive 5-star rating in the latest round of Euro NCAP safety tests. The midsize electric hatchback will unveiled in January 5, 2023 and showcase the MG4 EV at the upcoming Auto Expo 2023. If launched in India, the MG4 EV hatchback will rival the likes of the BYD Atto 3 and the upcoming Kona electric facelift. MG4 EV Euro NCAP test results. The MG4 EV scored 83% in adult occupant tests, getting 31.6 points out of 38. It also scored 80% in child occupant tests, with a score of 39.5 out of 49 points. In safety systems tests, MG's EV hatchback got 78%, earning 12.6 points out of a total of 16. The lowest score the MG4 earned was 75% in the vulnerable road users tests, scoring 40.6 out of 54 points. While the car tested was left-hand drive, the rating is also applicable for the right-hand drive version. The BYD Atto 3 also received a 5-star rating in the Euro NCAP safety tests. In comparison, the BYD had a better score in the adult occupant and child occupants tests, with 91 and 89% scores, respectively. However, in the vulnerable road users and safety systems test, the Atto 3 scored slightly lower than the 4 EV, with 69 and 74%, respectively. Tell us in the comments section if you would consider to buy the all-new MG4 electric hatchback to lower your petrol expense and higher your savings? Finally, we thank you for watching the video. If you find the video informative, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming video notifications. Tickle the like button and share the video with your friends in order to make YouTube Baba happy. We will see you at the next one. Till then, bye-bye.